Mania. Oh, yeah. Just like, just next to it. Still smell my foot. Otherwise, yeah, hit an invisible wall. Hold on, I gotta eat a cheeseburger before I die. Like living in Croatia. Croatia is interesting. I want to move to St. Lucia. St. Lucia. Wow. Wow. Yeah. Like Joe Biden has to fucking get on with it with stupid fucking war with Russia, so that things might be friendly enough so I can live there, or just somewhere like in the middle of fuck nowhere. I don't care. I'm thinking Japan, or middle of nowhere around here somewhere, or middle of nowhere in like the Black Sea area, or the middle of nowhere in Spain. Careful with the white lighting, guys. It's just different. It's much nicer over there. The weather's always nice. They don't have to worry. Some areas don't have to worry about hurricanes and what is going on. Exactly. All you have to worry about another civil war or some shit. No white lighting. I wasn't trying to. The baby's leaving a wreck behind. Oh my fuck, if I hit another fucking crash vehicle. $1 in St. Lucia. $1 American in St. Lucia counts for 2. It's like, they have American amenities Wi-Fi, you're talking about the Caribbean. St. Lucia. Oh, the West Indies. You know, my dollar costs for food down there. That's pretty fucking good. You know, I do have citizenship in Trinidad. It's not too far. I wouldn't be too far. It's funny you say St. Lucia, because the person who was telling me about it, she is West Indian. She said St. Lucia. Beach Creole too, so that can have a lot of people. St. Lucia is... It's just because it was named in Spanish, and then whoever else took over just stuck with the name, but just pronunciation based on their language. So it's like, it's whatever. Like I said, she was probably pronouncing Right up chick from New York City, but she's West Indian. The best part about Trinidad is that if you go to the either west or south coast, you can see Venezuela from the beach. What's up, really cool. I was just looking at the landscape right now. It looks fucking nice, clear water, nice weather. Don't you gotta worry about bullshit hurricanes and tsunamis and shit. You might catch the tail end of one. Depending on, that one is easy to deal with. It's just, yeah. The worst thing you will have to deal with is the usual, tropical storm, but, That's whatever. Yeah. Yeah, Trinidad. Some areas on the West Indies that don't even get touched out like this possibly. It's naturally epic. Yeah, Trinidad and Tobago is my friends. All the time. I need to reconnect with the people I know there. I know them, I've seen them not too long ago, but I really need to, go there, go back there, and just, hey, what's up? Love to meet motherfucker. Guys, we love for Jesus. They celebrate, not Mardi Gras. What was the name of that fucking Holi? The Hindu tradition where they have like the color powders and they just throw powder on it. You're talking about the fucking love festival shit where everything. Yeah. And then, you know, you have the carnivals. Oh yeah. Yeah, Trinidad and Tobago, I want to go back. I really do. I heard you. I'm just saying, because you brought it up. I haven't heard it. I just thought of a friend that I had. I was more so kind of talking to myself now. Yours truly. I was born in Trinidad. What? I was born there. All of them. And if you go to the northeast island, it's Scarborough. It's just, that place is just one massive fucking golf club. Massive what? Golf club. Golf club? Fuck man. Yeah, right? It's like Greek place for everyone. It's like a dream. Then you have like the tiny airport. There's a with prom thing. It's $700 a night. It's only $700 a night. Oh jeez. I was thinking about opening up a bank account down there in the West Indies. That money. Like $200 once a week would be $400. All good? Double my money. Literally. Might work. I keep forgetting how crazy that car is. Who stopped? Nobby, so that was a bad idea. Right in the middle of the road? Never hide around the bend. Oh my god. What is this? Never hide around. This was Nobby's fault. He thinks he's smart. Those are fucking egg. There's flipped cars on the road. Like, what the fuck is going on? Oh, it was all him. I saw him there. He was standing outside his car trying to fix it. I'm trying to make a video. Haven't seen a single person the whole time. Everyone's just driving off like, fuck out of here. You're better, nerd. Wow. Bro, can these people fuck off for 20 minutes? I'm not even white lying. I'm over here dumping stuff. What are you doing? Trying to get through all this wreckage. Like, I wouldn't even be mad about a bungalow. So long as it's like a nice open design. I saw a bungalow for like $45,000. I was like, damn, I wish I had my head in the roll that down payment. Shots into his eyes. It's like a bungalow. And like, if the property's big enough, whenever you can, if you feel like it, you just expand. Just add a new room. There's a 3-bedroom, 2 stories. Bungalows are 1 floor, my good sir. Oh, then, it was called a bungalow. But this shit had 2 stories. I remember looking at it, it said bungalow. It's like it had 2 stories. It's like if each floor is directly on top of each other, then it's a 2-story house. Not in a bungalow. Like, you could have 2 floors or more, but it would have to be separated by steps, and they're not on top of each other. It's like more so spread out on the property. It was open. I'll tell you that much. Like inside it was open. Yeah, it was probably just a bungalow with extra steps. we had a lot of top space, so we just put something there. It was a half house. It was fucking sick. Oh, a 3/4 mansion.